Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in Bitcoin for beginners, follow these step-by-step instructions to safely enter the cryptocurrency market and understand this digital asset. Step 1. Educate yourself about Bitcoin basics, including how blockchain technology works, what makes Bitcoin valuable, and the risks associated with cryptocurrency investing. Never invest in something you don't understand. Step 2. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange with strong security features and good customer support. Research platforms that are regulated, have insurance on deposits, and offer user-friendly interfaces for beginners. Step 3. Complete the verification process on your chosen exchange by providing identification documents as required. This Know Your Customer process is standard and necessary for regulatory compliance. Step 4. Start with a small investment amount you can afford to lose completely. Bitcoin is highly volatile and speculative, so only invest money that won't impact your financial security if lost. Step 5. Set up a secure wallet to store your Bitcoin, rather than leaving large amounts on an exchange. Consider using a hardware wallet for maximum security if you plan to hold long-term. Step 6. Use dollar-cost averaging by investing fixed amounts regularly rather than trying to time the market. This strategy reduces the impact of Bitcoin's notorious price volatility. Step 7. Stay informed about cryptocurrency news and regulations, but avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term price movements. Bitcoin requires a long-term perspective and strong conviction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.